Hello students, welcome back to the statistics class. In the previous video, we solved a few problems based on the concept of STDR. We found death rates based on the third measure of mortality, which is standardized death rates. In today's session, let us solve some more problems based on the same method. Now, example number 3. Compute standardized death rates for towns A and B and state which town is healthier. Here your question is to find the death rates for both the towns A and B and state which town is healthier. The data is given with different age groups and the population and death rate of town A and town B along with standard population is given in the table. Here as you can see, town A contains population and deaths per thousand, similarly town B. Here instead of giving the death rate, here deaths per thousand is given in the question, means this is your ASDR value. So, these are the ASDR value, direct values are given in the question. So far they used to give the death rate based on which you used to compute ASDR value. Again ASDR means you are finding death rate for the respective age group and you are finding the ratio for 1000 individual. Here the death rate is given for 1000 individual, which means direct ASDR values are given for the respective age groups. Deaths per 1000 is given, which is your ASDR value, because ASDR means you are finding death ratio for 1000 individual and for the respective age group. Here you got the direct values. So whenever the word deaths per 1000 is given, those are the ASTR values and it is not the deaths of the respective population. So here direct value ASTR is given for town A and B. Now for the first town, deaths per 1000 is given, so ASDR of A. Similarly for the second town, ASDR of B and standard population is given. So in the solution part, here deaths per 1000 of town A is considered as ASDR of A and deaths per 1000 of town B is considered as ASDR of B. So solution part, draw the table, consider the data which is given in the question. Different age groups are given. Consider standard population, which is helpful for you to find the product of PA and PB based on which standardized death rates are found. After that, consider the given values of A and B, ASTR values of A and B. ASTR of A, which is 18, 10, 15 and 20. Similarly, ASTR of B, which is 20, 12, 18 and 24. After that, in order to find STDR, you should find the product of PA and the product of PB. So, compute the values PA in the next column. 18 multiplied by 15,000, that is 2,70,000. 10 multiplied by 35,000, 3,50,000. Similarly, compute the other two values and find the sum total of PA. Similarly, find PB, that is 15,000 multiplied by 20. Find the value. Next value 35,000 multiplied by 12. Get the answer. Similarly, compute the values for the other two age groups and find the sum total of PB. After that, find the total of standard population, which is 1 lakh. Find the total of PA, which is 14,70,000. Find the total of PB, which is 17,40,000. After computing these values, after the completion of the given table, the next step is to find the two STDR values. So, STDR for the first town, that is STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P. Substituting the given formula, 14,70,000 divided by 1 lakh, which is equal to 14.7. Similarly, compute STDR for town B. STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P, that is equal to 17,40,000 divided by 1 lakh, which is equal to 17.4. After that, compare the two different values. So here 14.7 is less than 17.4, which means here you can find more number of deaths in the second population. That is, you will find more number of deaths for town B than town A, which means town A is your healthy population. So, since STDR of A is less than STDR of B, town A is more healthier. Exercise problem. First question. From the following data, show that town B is healthier. So, here you should prove that town B population is the healthy population. In the given data, different age groups are given along with deaths per thousand of town A and town B along with the standard population. Here, as you can see, deaths per thousand is given, which means direct ASDR values are given. Since ASDR values are given, deaths and population of the respective age groups are not given in the question. So, since direct values are given, population and death rate of town A and town B is not mentioned or given in the question. So, here different age groups are given along with ASDR values of town A and town B along with the standard population is given here. Now, in the solution part, as you all know that deaths per thousand of town A is ASDR of A, deaths per thousand of B is ASDR of B. So, draw one more table, consider the given age groups, consider the standard population which is given in the question, that is 15,000, 18,000, 22,000, 12,000 and 8,000, and find the sum total of that column, which is sigma p equal to 75,000. Consider ASDR of A, that is deaths per thousand of town A, 18, 6, 8, 10 and 80. ASDR of B, 12, 4, 8, 9 and 90. In the next column, find PA, the product of standard population multiplied by ASDR of A. Find PB, standard population multiplied by the ASDR value of town B. Find PA, that is 15,000 multiplied by 18, 2,70,000. 18,000 multiplied by 6, 1,08,000. Similarly, compute the rest of the values and find the total of that column. Find sigma PA, which is equal to 13,14,000. Similarly, compute PB, standard population multiplied by ASDR of B, 15,000 multiplied by 12, 1,80,000, 18,000 multiplied by 4, 72,000. Find the rest of the values and find the sum total of PB, which is equal to 12,56,000. After the completion of the given table, the next step is to find the standardized death rate for both the towns A and B. Now, for the first town, so find STDR of the first town A. STDR of A equal to, write the formula, sigma PA divided by sigma P. Substitute in the formula, which is equal to 13,14,000 divided by 75,000, which is equal to 17.52. Similarly, compute STDR of town B. STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P, that is equal to 12,56,000 divided by 75,000, which is equal to 16.75. After computing both the values, you should compare the two values and conclude about the data. Here, death rates are more for the first town than the second town. So, since the death ratio is more in the first town, your second town is the healthy population. Since STDR of B is less than STDR of A, the conclusion is town B is more healthier.